Yo, what's up guys? It's me Borys and welcome in today's trade recap. Today I took one trade on ES and I won. I made $1.1 thousand on funded account and I am currently near to being break even on the account. So pretty nice. Um, and yeah, I deleted every drawings on Nasdaq, but we'll go over today and I will draw everything again. So coming into today, I was very bearish, and I thought that the price wanted to go to this low, and I also thought that the price wanted to go to this low on ES. On 1 hour charts, I saw that we tapped this 1 hour fair value gap, and we are currently, going back down. On 30 minutes charts, we already tapped this 30-minute fair value gap on Nasdaq, but we had this 30-minute fair value gap on ES that we haven't tapped yet. So at market open, I wanted to see a manipulation to the upside and then some short to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. At market open, we got those two candles to the upside, which was a clear manipulation for me. We swept those highs, no, those highs on both Nasdaq and ES. We also tapped this 30-minute fair value gap on ES. So for me, it was a strong sign that we want to go lower. And from there, all I wanted to see was my entry. So some sort of inversion fair value gap. And we got this beautiful 30-second inversion. I entered stop loss at protected low. I was targeting 2 ticks below those equal lows. And yeah, I risked a little bit more on this trade. I risked around 600 bucks. That's why I made more. But it was only because I was one trade away from losing the account. I had like 650 bucks possible drawdown left, so that's why I risked all of the possible drawdown. And yeah, I am glad that I won. The setup was very clean for me. I'm also really glad that I counted this as a manipulation because it was a clear manipulation, but I know that sometimes I wanna see too much confirmations and I end up missing those setups. And especially when I take a patty swing trade, I need to be faster with my decision. So yeah, pretty good day. Yeah, I also want to go over where I went break even. So I wanted to go break even once we tap this 5-minute fair value gap. The reason I didn't do it was only because it was very close, and I could see price do something like this, and I didn't want to get stopped out and then price going into my direction. So I had my break-even point here, but I went break-even once we got this huge pullback and we swept this low. I really like going break-even once we do something like this, retrace and then we push through this retrace. So yeah, a really nice setup. It's actually really interesting that I am nearly break even because I feel like I am only losing, but you see, one good win can make up like 2 or 3 bad days, and that's pretty nice. uh, so yeah, that's everything for today, guys. I will trade tomorrow, and it will be the last day of the week. And also, if I trade well tomorrow, it will be exactly 1 month since I am strictly following my rules. So it will be a very, very important day for me. And yeah, I just hope I will trade good tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow. Yo!